Are you gonna stand underneath this one?
Yeah.
Okay,
look out. Got enough for a third.
Alright, in a second though. I want to film you guys first.
Yes. Jimmy. You have to get the steam.
Alright, let's go.
So I was filming?
Yeah, yeah.
Filming? Oh, yes.
Vámonos.
Let's go.
Some boiling water.
Alright, how's this gonna work? Are you gonna run out or are you gonna throw yours first?
I'll throw mine first, and then I'll stand under it. So hot.
Negative 8.
Alright.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna stand.
I was gonna say, that's a lot for you to stand under.
I'm gonna throw it here.
Okay.
Stand there.
Okay. Okay. It's cold.
I don't believe it's cold. I thought it would feel like like little embers or something hitting you.
It was like lukewarm at best.
Let's try to get 2 more out of it with the next one.
Let's just throw it at each other.
Yay! Actually, it wouldn't probably hurt. Should have taken the headphones off before that happened.
Negative 8 degrees in Colorado. Rare even for us down on the plains. Yeah, I showed him on the widget. And boiling water. It's all over YouTube, but it's still.
It's the first sign of the apocalypse, really.
Yeah. This means that the Antichrist will be born.
We get an earthquake next.
Yep.
And the IP addresses are all gone.
Damn it!
Wait, that means you guys don't have to go into work now.
No, they invented some bullshit IPv6 with letters.
I was gonna say.
It'd be hilarious if one of you tripped with this stuff.
Alright, let's throw it past each other.
You gotta come right here. Come right here. And then we'll throw it up and past each other.
That's a bad idea.
Ready?
Wait, I'm throwing it over you.
Throw it on. I'm gonna throw it over you. Alright, ready?
Why am I going to be the collateral damage here?
Ready?
Yeah.
Not that much hit me, actually.
It all turned to dust.
I know. Holy crap. There's one little bit on my head.
So cold, though.
I think it's freezing.
Oh.
It feels hard.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Oh,